Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jessia here, your social science teacher. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. The last section we discussed about importance of diversity in our life. Hope everybody learned that portion. Today we will discuss about diversity in India. In India, we can find diversities in different areas. No doubt, right? Because we know that we speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, isn't it? Yes. Still, we love each other, stay together in our country. In this sense, we can say India is a country of diversity. But actually, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways. How is it possible? Look at this picture. Here we can see different ways in which people pray. Whether the person belongs to different religion, he is praying to the God. That means prayer is there in each and every religion. But the way of worshipping is different. Another example is, here we can see the different ways in which people get married. In each and every religion, we can see people get married. But the rituals and customs of marriage are different. Here, we can see different ways in which people wearing clothes. All are wearing dress, but the way of wearing dress is different. From this, we can understand that in diversity, we are doing similar things, but the ways or methods are different. Then, how do we explain diversity? A little more than 200 years ago or long, before the train, aeroplane, bus or car become a part of our life, people travel from one place to another in ships, on horses, on camels or on foot, isn't it? Here we can see the changes in the means of transportation. Again, people have been moving constantly. They might move for jobs. They might move for education. They might move due to drought, famine, war or any natural disasters that are occurred. People also move because of trade. All these movements have led to kind of intermixing of cultures as in the form of their languages, food habits, clothes, music, etc. At the same time, it also brings something new and different. When we think about the history of many places, shows us how many different cultural influences have helped the people to shape life and culture. From this, we can understand that the regions are diverse because of their unique histories. Similarly, diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For example, people living in a coastal area is quite different from the people living in a mountain area. Here, you can see the dressing style are very different in both these areas. In coastal area, people use normal dressing style, while in mountain area, people use woolen cloths to get protection from cool climate. This picture gives an idea about food habits of coastal and mountain area. In mountain areas, people eat meat and hot food, whereas coastal area, people eat fish and rice more. In the areas of occupation, also we can see the differences. The main occupation of people living in the mountains is farming. Terrace or step farming is done on slopes of mountains to grow rice, tea, etc. depending on the heights of the region they are living. But at the same time, the main occupation of the people living in coastal areas is fishing. Such kind of differences we can see the people living in coastal and mountain areas. Therefore, we can say that the historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. Children, first you read the textbook properly and learn the question number 1 and 2. And also note that the later URLs, notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.